I got my salmon going. I always like to add something a little fruity and sweet, and I'm going with pineapple juice, and I'm going to mix in some chili garlic sauce as well to give it a little bit more heat. So I'm doing the whole thing right here on the grill. I got my salmon going. I think that that's going to be a really nice pairing for this. I just put a little salt and pepper and oil on it. I'm going to put my pan right on here, and I've got some store-bought barbecue sauce. If I can get it open, there we go. And that's going to just go right in to my pan. And then I'm going to add to it my pineapple juice. Now, you could also use orange juice. That would be good. You could do like a mango puree would be really nice. I'm going to add a little heat to it here. I love this chili garlic sauce, but sriracha would also be really good in this. And that's it. So pretty simple. And I'm just going to whisk it up. All right, I'm going to let this simmer just a little bit so that it gets nice and thick and caramelized. And then I'm going to slather it all over my salmon. I like it saucy. It's important to flip the salmon, then put the sauce on, because if you put the sauce on and put that on the grill grates, it's just going to stick. I'm going to close it up and let that side cook. Just a couple minutes till barbecue salmon goodness. My salmon is done. Y'all can see how nice and rich this barbecue sauce is after it simmered. So it just is regular store-bought barbecue sauce, pineapple juice, and chili garlic sauce. Super simple. I flipped my salmon and glazed it. Can't wait to eat this. No boring salmon dishes around here. Look at that. Oh, little escape bite there. And I'm just going to garnish this with a little bit of sliced scallions. Doesn't that look great? I'm going right for it, guys. I might burn my mouth, but it's worth it. The pineapple gives it like a little fruity island flair. And then the heat from the chili garlic sauce. And then barbecue sauce itself is just so sweet and tangy and smoky. It all comes together perfectly, especially on salmon